What's up everybody? My name is Jeremiah and this is an unboxing of the 10 tool combo kit from DeWALT. And I bought this with my own money to use for myself for projects that I'm going to be working on. This little pack ran me $575 after tax. I think it's a pretty good deal for what you get. The box is in a little rough shape. You can tell these things are thrown around a bit. All right, let's open her up and take a look. What's inside? No, one-handed. Fail. There we go. Ooh, that's nifty. Nice. And it's open. Both of these are open. That's scary. Hopefully there won't be any missing pieces. Maybe somebody's just taking a look. Sorry about all the dogs barking in the background, including my own. Okay, what's in here? What do you get? It opens and kind of locks open. That's cool. I wish every duffel bag would do that. So there's little metal strips in here that you just pull it all the way up and it locks and stays completely open. That's excellent. Nice touch. Okay. So I've got a leaf blower. The oscillating multi-tool. And I think you can cut steel and everything else with these. So I'm not taking them out of their packages, just pulling them out of the bag, see what I got. So next is a good old reciprocating saw, Sawzall, cordless. She's got some heft to her too. The thing I was really excited about actually, just for the little kid in me, let me give you a good shot of that. 20-volt cordless vacuum. Just because pulling out a shop vac, plugging it in, takes all the fun out of vacuuming. Well, I don't think there's fun in vacuuming. Okay, ran out of memory on the phone, had to delete some old videos. So, put this to use. What goes with it? The 2 batteries you get and the charger, as well as all the manuals and some other nifty things. We'll go through that and see what's in there. Sorry about all the bag rustling too. And that's all she wrote in this one. All right, next. Okay. Oh, important stuff first. All right, Bluetooth speaker. That's gonna be awesome right there. And the manual. The instructions. Now this bad boy will net you about $100. And with this deal, you kind of get it for about 60. So that's pretty awesome. Cordless drill driver, cordless driver drill. All right. Cordless impact driver, 1/4 inch though. But we'll take her. There she is. She is the circular saw. We'll get her out of her bag in just a minute. Next is the ankle grinder. Yeah, you get it. And a little message. Thanks for the reminder. And candy. Oh, do not eat. scratch paper, thanks to DeWALT. So what I liked about the packaging so far is the tools are each separated in their own bags. Keeps them from being scratched against each other. Some of the sharper components on each tool scratches the other, so they're nice and clean. I love that. And I also love the no fuss packaging. What I mean by no fuss is all of these tools and not a single piece of styrofoam. That just goes to say something about the quality of these bags and how sturdy they are and the protection and shipping and all that. Got them all unboxed. Now I need to get them all de-plasticed. Take all the bubble wrap off. Oh great, another manual. I was most excited about this. This comes with the adapter just taped to the back. Again, simplicity in packaging. I actually prefer that. Oh. Thanks for gift wrapping it, DeWALT. $3 to $5 right there. Now, I'm not suggesting you go with one tool manufacturer over another. I bought these for me to use, actually use in my projects. So I'm just telling my story about what I got, and I hope that you find it interesting. Go ahead and share this video, comment, and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. But do you want to see one of these in action? I'm itching to try this bad boy out right here. Down here on the ground, swept up the shop, wood chips, metal flakes, and dog food. You know, huge. Get the leafy greens. See how well this DeWALT, when I dry that, brings up the mess. Hey, what are you doing up on my shelf? I'm going to do a review probably like 6 months from now about how I like these tools, what I don't like about these tools, and would I buy this again myself. Stay tuned for that one. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'll be using these tools in my future projects.